guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome back to my YouTube. Welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new. Welcome back to my YouTube channel if you're not new. Anyways, look what my boyfriend got me. Her name's Octopi, and yeah, she's the typical mood switching octopus that we've all seen on TikTok. In the last video, was it the last video that I made? Or was it 2 videos ago? I don't know. But earlier this week, I told you guys that later in the week, I would make a video where I taught you guys how to script in more specific details. So here we are. Okay, how to manifest using scripting. Scripting is something that I've done for exactly a year now. Actually, more than a year. A year and 2 months, because I started in February. Not February, that just happened, but the previous one, the one before that. Okay, so the first thing that I want to tell you guys, as always, I have my list about what I want to talk about. Okay, so the first thing that I want to talk to you guys about is that what I do is that I script every single night, plus whenever else I feel like it, but I force myself to script at least once a day and have that one time a day, if it's going to be only once a day, at night before I fall asleep. Because when you fall asleep, you have like a small window between like being awake and being asleep, where you have more access to your subconscious mind. And as I've told you guys before in my previous law of attraction videos, is that your subconscious mind is where the magic happens. Okay, so yeah, script at least every night, or also in the morning or in the afternoon, whenever else you feel like it, but you should at least always script at night. It's going to completely change your life from A to Z. Look at me. I manifested a boyfriend that treats me really good and does everything for me. A nose job, a successful nose job at that. I manifested getting my finances in order. I no longer have any credit card debt. I manifested doing better grades at school. I manifested finally being a punctual person. I was never a punctual person growing up, and when I was a kid, people would it added to my charisma. Like, it added to like people finding me cute and funny. But the older I got, the more that people were really starting to get pissed off by it. So what else did I manifest? I feel like I manifested more. There's definitely more. Okay, there is more, but I can't. Okay, I manifested a really cool job. I manifested a retail job that I actually really enjoyed. And I manifested some more things that I can't share with you guys just yet, but like, we're gonna get there one day. Okay, the second pointer that I want to give you guys to do some effective scripting to manifest the life of your desires is that I want you guys to write in the present tense. Don't write, I want to have a Tesla. Say, I love my Tesla so much. I drive in my Tesla and I feel confident. Try to like include some emotions in there so that it's not just like empty words. If you like try to write like, I feel blah blah blah, I feel blah blah, if you try to incorporate some emotions into it, you're going to be more likely to actually feel emotions as you script, and that's a very important component. We might be getting ahead of ourselves here. I don't remember if I made emotions a step of its own. No, I didn't. Okay, cool. I'm glad I mentioned it then. Okay, the third thing is that I want you guys to make different paragraphs for every theme of your life. If you think about it, all desires that you could possibly have, like anything that you could possibly wish for, probably fits into like not more than 10 categories. I mean, friends and family, love and belonging, money and success, academics and success, how good you are at school, like beauty, self-image, confidence. The fourth thing that I want to tell you guys is to go to bed, bring at least one affirmation from your scripting that night with you as you fall asleep. I'm saying just one. Bring 4 or 5 affirmations from your scripting with you as you fall asleep if you have that kind of memory. I kind of don't. Usually when I script at night, I'm so tired that I can only remember one or 2 affirmations that I wrote. So let's say that you wrote plenty of paragraphs, plenty of affirmations, plenty of lines. Choose 1 or 2, choose your favorite ones, choose as many as you can memorize. And then as you fall asleep, and as you put like your piece of paper aside, or your binder, or your journal, whatever it is that you write your scripting in, and you try to fall asleep and you close your eyes, repeat it in your mind and try to really feel the emotions. Okay, so let's say that the affirmation that you're repeating to yourself as you fall asleep is, I drive a Tesla. Try to incorporate some emotions in it. Try to make it, I am so happy now that I have a Tesla. I'm so happy now that I have a Tesla. I'm so happy now that I have a Tesla. And like, really like get excited. Like, one of my favorite law of attraction YouTubers, Roxy Talks, the other day, she said something. She was like, emotions are so important that like make yourself like low-key dwell it if you have to. Be like, I guess my crush is coming over tonight. Whatever, he's so annoying. You could be like, if that's a way, if that helps you release resistance and like make you less desperate for what you want, you can definitely trick your mind using that technique. You could be like, I don't know where I'm going to put my Tesla. Like, it doesn't fit in my garage. Like, as you fall asleep. Anyways, just fall asleep repeating one of your affirmations from your scripting to yourself. Okay, so I guess we're done then, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and like my video if you enjoyed it, and you should also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more.